This dance is called Morning Sun. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance with 1 tag and 1 restart. Starting on our right foot, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, shuffle back on the right, toe half turn on the left foot, so we step the left toe back, turn a half a turn to the left, weight goes back on the left, step forward on the right, pivot a half a turn left. So we should be facing 12 o'clock still. So that section once more off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, back shuffle, toe turn, step, pivot. We're now going to do a set of extended syncopated lock steps, angling to 10:30. So starting off at the right, it's step, lock, the faster ones, step, lock, step. Rock forward on that right, recover your weight on the left, still facing the diagonal. Now going into a weave to the right, behind side cross, squaring up to 12 o'clock, behind side cross. So that section once more then. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, forward rock, behind side cross. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, back shuffle, toe turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, forward rock, behind side cross. Step the right to the side, bring the feet together. Chassé to the right, making a quarter turn at the end. Chassé quarter turn. Step forward on the left, pivot a half a turn right, shuffle forward on the left. So that section once more then. Side close, chassé turn. 7, 8, side close, chassé turn, step, pivot, left shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock, back shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, back shuffle, toe turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, forward rock, behind side cross, side close, chassé turn, step, pivot, left shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Now you're going to make a full triple turn on the spot over your right shoulder. If you don't want to do this full turn, just cha-cha-cha in place or a coaster step. Otherwise, 3 steps, 3 and 4 over your right shoulder, making that full turn. Now I will demonstrate that full turn as we're doing the walkthroughs. I will be doing the non-turning coaster step option when the dance is on. So having done that full triple turn, we're going to cross rock, left over right, recover the weight on the right, chassé to the left. So that section once more then. Forward rock, triple full turn. 7, 8, forward rock, triple turn, cross rock, left chassé. That's our halfway point, so let's take it up to there. Forward rock, back shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, back shuffle, toe turn, step, pivot, step, step, forward rock, behind side cross, side close, chassé turn, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, triple turn, cross rock, left chassé. So from our halfway point then, we're just in our chassé to the left, cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, save a step, into an extended syncopated cross shuffle So we go cross, side, cross, side, cross. So from that halfway point then, cross side sailor, half on the right, 7, 8, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, side, cross, shuffle. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. You're now going to do 3/4 of a turn over your right shoulder, so you should end up facing 6 o'clock on the spot. Again, if you don't wish to do this 3/4 turn, it's 3 steps, it's a 3 and 4 count timing again. Just do 3 steps, making a quarter turn to the left. If you're turning 3/4 over the right, right, left, right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a coaster step. So that section once more then, just an cross shuffle, side rock, 3/4 turn. Off on the right, 7, 8, side rock, turn, 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 forward rock, coaster step. From our halfway point then, cross side sailor off on the right, 7, 8, cross side sailor step, cross side, cross shuffle, side rock 3/4, forward rock, coaster step. Nice easy section now. Step forward on the right, pivot a half turn left, shuffle forward on the right. Step forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, shuffle forward on the left. So step, pivot, shuffle twice. Let's add that onto our halfway point. Cross side sailor off on the right. 7, 8, cross side sailor step, cross side, cross shuffle, side rock 3/4, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left into a coaster cross. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, behind, side, step forward. End of dance when you get to that point. So that last section once more then. Rocking forward on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, coaster, cross, side rock, behind side step. Add that to our halfway point. Cross side sailor off on the right. 7, 8, cross side, sailor step, cross side, cross shuffle, side rock 3/4, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster cross, side rock, behind side step. So that's our 2 halves. Let's put them together. Forward rock, back shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, back shuffle, turn, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, forward rock, behind side cross, side close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, triple turn, cross rock, left chassé, cross side, sailor step, cross side, cross shuffle, side rock 3/4, forward rock, coaster step, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster cross, side rock, behind side step. I'll now go through the dance with the counts. rock off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is a two-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall. And we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join each other. Forward rock, back shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, back shuffle, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, forward rock, behind, side, cross, side, close, chasse, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, triple turn, cross, rock, left chasse, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, side, cross, shuffle, side, rock, 3/4, forward rock, coaster, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster, cross, side rock, behind, side step, forward rock, back shuffle, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, forward rock, behind, side cross, side, close, chasse, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, triple turn, cross rock, left chasse, cross side, sailor step, cross side, cross shuffle, side rock, 3/4, forward rock, coaster, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, coaster, cross, side rock, behind, side step. So this dance has one tag and one restart. The restart comes on wall 2 after 48 counts. So wall 2 you will be facing the back. It basically comes after you've done your side rock, 3/4 turn, forward rock, coaster step, and restart. So let's do wall 2, 48 counts, up to the restart point. Forward rock, back shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, back shuffle, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, forward rock, behind, side cross, side close, chasse, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, triple turn, cross rock, left chasse, cross side, sailor step, cross side, cross shuffle, side rock, 3/4, forward rock, coaster step, restart, forward rock, back shuffle. So that's your restart point. Wall 2, restart facing 12 o'clock. Your tag comes at the end of wall 4. So wall 4 is your 6 o'clock wall. You will be facing 12 o'clock. So it's the second time you get back to the 12 o'clock wall. You are doing your tag. Now it's a similar set of steps to the 7th section, but not quite the same. So when you get here, your tag. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, half shuffle turn over the right. Rock forward on the left, recover on the right, half shuffle turn over the left. Restart the dance. So that tag just once more, half on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle. Start the dance again, forward rock, back shuffle. So that's your dance, it's your walk through, it's your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. turn, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, triple turn, cross rock, left chassé, cross side, say the step, cross side, cross shuffle, side rock, 3/4, forward rock, first a step, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, first a cross, side rock, behind side step, forward rock, right shuffle, turn, step, pivot, step, rock, step, forward rock, behind side cross, side turn, chassé turn, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, triple turn, cross rock, left chassé, cross side, say step, cross side, cross shuffle, side rock 3/4, restarts coming out, forward rock, first step, restart, forward rock, back shuffle, turn, step, pivot, step, rock, step, rock, step, forward rock, behind step, cross, side, turn, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, triple turn, cross, rock, chassé, cross, side, say step, rock, side, cross shuffle, side rock 3/4, forward rock, first step, step, pivot, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, forward rock, first cross, side rock, and step, forward rock back, step rocks, side carries, forward rock, triple turn, side cross, just stay there, 3/4, step pivot, forward rock coaster, tag, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, restart forward flat, back shuffle,